Hello students, I hope you all are doing great. We already started a new lesson of class 6 and that is decimals. In previous videos you learned the place value chart of decimals, how to write them in expanded form, and you have solved most of the examples from exercise 6.1. In today's class I am going to discuss about how to represent the decimals on a number line, how to convert decimals to fractions and fractions to decimals. Okay, whatever I taught in previous class, no, I will revise in 10 minutes. So in previous class you have learned the place value chart of decimals. So what is there in place value chart? See here, this already you know, ones, tens, hundreds, okay, and here decimal point will come. After that which place will come here? Tens. Tens, okay, here tens, TTHS. After that what will come here? Hundreds. After that what will come here? This is tens, hundreds, and after that what will come here? Thousands. Okay, next see here I will take one example, 425.625. okay, how to read it as a, it is read it as a 625. Don't read it as a 425.625. that is completely wrong. When you are reading the decimals you should read individual digits 6 to 5. okay, this is the place value chart. After that I taught how to write them in a expanded form. Then see how to write in expanded form. Take here expanded form. Okay, expanded form. First you have to see its place values. 4 is there in which place? 100 place. So write here 400. After that 2 is there in tens place, means write here 20. 5 is there in ones place, means write here 5. Okay, then give here plus, and 6 tenths means 6 by 100. Here already you know this, you are writing 6 by 100, 1 by 10. Here you write tenths. After that 1 by, this is hundreds means 1 by 100, and thousands means this is 1 by thousands. Okay, 6 by 10. Next plus 2 by 100. okay, next 5 by 1000. so this type you have to write in expanded form. I hope you have practiced this kind of examples. okay, then in today's class I will teach you represent the following decimals on the number line. okay, representation of decimals on the number line. Then take here represent the following decimals, decimals on the number line, So in this class we are going to discuss about this number line. Then first question is there, okay, 2.6. okay, 2.6. Then how to represent in a number line? Already this you learnt in while solving the integers. Already you know about scale. okay, you take here one scale. I will take this type. okay, and start with 0. Again what will come here? 1. After that what is there here? 2. After that what will come here? 3. Next what will come here? 4. After that what will come here? 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one more thing I will clear you. 0 to 1, how many lines are there here? 10. 1 to 2, how many lines are there here? 10. 2 to 3, how many lines are there here? 10. okay, then 2.6 is there. You consider it as a 0. In scale 0 also there. So here you have to take, see here, from here to here how many lines are there? 10. Then take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. okay, again 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that again here lines will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this type mark is there in your scale. Okay, when you see the scale you have this kind of marks. Yes, then see here, from here to here also 10 lines are there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then see where to represent this 2.6. See here 0, 1, 2. Again on 2 you have to take 6 lines. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2.6 will come here. I hope you are getting my point. For example here one more example will come 1.5. Then in 1 again you have to take 5 lines. Here 1 is there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it will come. So here 1.5 means on 1 again you have to take 5 lines. 2.6 means in 2 first you have to see, after that you have to take 6 lines. I will take one more example here 3.1. 3.1 means see here 3.1 here is there, no? So here on 3 you have to take 1 line. This is through 3.1. For example 3.8 is there. See here 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, on 3 you have to take 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, from here to you have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the 3.8 will come here. Okay, when you are solving the examples, no, here you have to take individual. Means in one number line I have shown here how many 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 I have shown. But when the question will come, means in your textbook page number 81, represent the following decimals on the number line is there, no? For each example you have to draw separate number line. Don't solve all together in one number line. For example here 6.4 is there. I will take next example here 6.4. 6.4 is there, and while drawing the line you have to use scale. Then draw here line. Yes, draw here line. Okay, then start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after that 6. Okay, and here you have to draw 7. Then see here from this to this how many lines are there? 10. Then draw here 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This type you have to draw. Up to where? Up to 6. See here 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that here also you have to follow the same procedure. Okay, then again you have to draw here 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then 6.4 is there, means see here on 6 you have to take 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6.4 will come here. This type you have to represent. Then see what is there next question. 0.8 is there. 0.8. Then draw one more line here. Okay, and here you have to start with 0. You have to draw one line and start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means it is 1. After that again 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 2 is there. Then tell me 0.8 where it will come. See here 0. Then on 0 you have to take 8 lines. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here 0.8 will come. Okay, see here when solving you have to draw the separate number lines. Don't solve all together in one number line. I hope this is understood. Then next I will take you change the following decimals to fractions. Here these examples I am solving from exercise 6.1. Then the next question is there, fourth main, change the following decimals to fractions. Change the following decimals to fractions. Already you have learnt this in previous class. This lesson was there in class 4, class 5, and this you are learning in 6th also. Okay, then see here 0.6 is there. 0.6. The question is there, decimals to fractions. In previous class you have studied about fractions. Okay, then 0.6 is there. Now first you have to write its decimal part. Here you have to write 6 and count, means first you have to write the full number. 06 is there, no? If you are writing 6 or 06, both are correct. Count in decimal place how many digits are there? 1. Then write here 1 0 and give here 1. 0.6. First you have to write this as a numerator. After that you have to count how many digits are there in decimal place. Only one digit is there, means give here 1 0. 2 digits are there, means give here 2 zeros. 3 digits are there, means here you give 3 zeros, and after that you put 1 also. Don't forget, otherwise it will not get any value. Okay, then next I will take here 1.03. 1.03. First step, you have to write this all number. Right here 103. After that, see here how many digits are there? 2 digits. Then write here 2, give here 2 zeros and write here 1. So this is 103 divided by 100. 103 by 100. Next I will take here one more example, 16.245. First you have to, without point you have to write all the number. Right here 16.245 and give here, see here how many digits are there in decimal place? 3. 1 2 3. Give here 3 zeros. 1 2 3, and after that you put here 1. So 16,245 divided by 1000. Next I will take one more example here, 0.107. So write here, see here, when you are writing zeros before the digit, 7 is there. If you are giving 0 0 0 to its backside, no, it doesn't have any value. When the 0 will get its value? When you are writing the 0 after the digit. See here 7 0. Now it is 700. You give here 100 zeros, it will not get any value. So here why I taught that, because see here 0.0107 is there. Instead of writing 00107, no, if you are writing 107, that is also correct. Okay, after that next step we have to count here place values. See here 1 2 3 4. Then how many zeros I need to give here? 4. 1 2 3 4 and give here 1. So this time you have to convert the following decimals to fractions. Okay, then this is change the following decimals to fractions. This kind of examples are there. See here page number 81. I have taught here 5th main and 6th main. Try to solve remaining all the examples. Now I will teach you change the following fractions to decimals. Change the following fractions to decimals. Fractions to decimal. Fractions to decimals. Fractions to decimals. Next, here I will take one example, 8 by 10. 8 by 10 is there. In previous examples we have converted decimals to fractions. Now you have to convert fractions to decimals. Then how to convert? First you write numerator as it is. Count here in denominator how many zeros are there? 1 0. Then after one digit you have to give the point and write here 0. So the decimal form of 8 by 10 is 0.8. Next, I will take one more example here. 17 by 100. Okay, 17 by 100 is there. Then first step you have to write the numerator. What is there in numerator? 17. Then count in denominator how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Then after 2 digit 1 2 you have to give point and give here 0. Then the same example I will take but denominator different. 8 by 100 is there. Okay, first step you have to write numerator as it is. Next steps here, after how many digit here? 0 is there, 2 digit. Then here only one digit is there. Here you give 8 and give here 1 0 and give the point and write here 0. So how to read it as a 0.08. I will take one more example here. 8 by 1000 is there. First step you write numerator as it is. Then see here in denominator how many zeros are there? 1 2 3. Then here only one place is there. Then I need to give here again 2 zeros. 1 2 3 and give here point and write here 0. 0.008 is the answer. In case here the digits are not there, then that time you have to give the zeros and after that much places you have to leave and give the decimal point. Next I will take here 443 by 10,000. Then tell me what to do. First step we have to write here numerator as it is. Write here 443. After how many digits I need to give here point? Count here 1 2 3 4. Okay, but here only 3 digits are there. What to do? We have to give there 0. Give here 0 and see here 1 2 3 4 and give here point and give. So this type you have to convert the fractions to decimal. I will take few more example here. See here when you are converting fractions to decimals, no, the denominator should be 10, 100, 1000 or 10,000. Then only you come to know, means then only you are going to convert that fractions to decimals, else it will not come. Then that type of examples I will take here. See here I will take here 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Then how to convert this? See here, if you are going to convert the fractions to decimals, no, the denominator should be, see here, 10, 100, 1000 or 10,000. Then only we are going to convert that fractions to decimals. But in denominator here 4 is there. For that what to do here? I have to convert this 4 as a 10 or a 100 or a 1000. Then see here, I will take here 1 by 4 into, I want here denominator 100. Okay, I have to check 4 how much the 10 or 4 how much the 100. See here in 4 ones a table 10 is not there. Already you know the 4 ones a table, it is not a 10 is not a multiple of 4, but I can convert it as a 100. Why? See here, because 25 4za, 25 4za, 4 5za 20, 4 2za 8, 8 plus 2 is 100. 4 2za 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. See here, so in 4 ones table 100 is there. How much za? 25 za. So you have to convert it as a 100. So take here 25 and write here also 25. Already I taught when you are solving the fractions examples. Okay, see here 4 25 za 100 and whatever you are taking as a denominator, no, you take as a numerator also. 125 is a 25. Now this is a this I can convert it as a decimals because here denominator is 100. Then take here how to do this. Write here, first you write numerator 25. See here in denominator how many zeros are there? 2 zeros, 1, 2, and give here point and write here 0.25. So this type you have to convert the fractions to decimals. First you need to check whether the number is there in which table. Okay, then see here I will take one more example. I will take here 9 by 20. 9 by 20. Okay, see here when you are converting, the denominator should be, yes, what, 10, 100 or 1000, but here 20 is there. Check, 9 divided by 20 is there into, I have to make it as a 10. No, it will not come because in 20 10 is not a multiple. I can make it as a 100. Then tell me 20 how much is 100? 20 5 is 100. 20 5 is 100. Take here also as a numerator also. 25 is 100. 9 5 is 45. Okay. Then first write numerator 45. After 2 digit you have to give the point. 1 2 and give here point and give here 0. Okay. I hope this you understood. Here few more examples are there and try to solve exercise number 6.1, 5th main, 6th main, 7th main. In this class I taught how to represent on a number line, how to convert decimals to fractions and fractions to decimals. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.